Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to log in to your Canva account. This is a canva.com website, and to log in to your account, simply click on this login button. A new window pops up. If you see this page, you can continue with your email if it is correct. If it is not correct, you can click on continue with another account. Click on continue with another account. Here I will continue with my email, so click on continue with email. Fill in your email address here. Click on continue. You will receive a code to your email address. This is it. Copy your Canva code just like that and return to the Canva website. Fill your code here and hit continue. And this is how to log in to your Canva account. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.